Young scholars, welcome to the Chalk Corner, and this is Chalk with G. Hey, by the way, I'm G, and in today's video, I have something very important to show you. You could say it's a key thing that we need to learn. Okay, enough with all of the suspense. We're going to learn how to not only spell the word key, but we're going to learn how to draw one. Let's get started. Key. K. Key. Key. How about an E? Key. Key. One more. The letter Y. Key. And that's how you spell the word key, using the letter K-E-Y. Now, let's draw a key. No key is the same, unless you get a duplicate of it, but most keys, if not all keys, are different. So whatever your key looks like, it's going to be different from my key, but I still want you to draw along if you like. Let's get started. I want to draw a old key. I mean a key that could open up a castle. A key that fits a king and a queen. So we must draw this shape here. And that shape there. Not done. Then we come here. And we draw that. Little security. And let's give the king and a queen a keychain. Well, maybe not, because that's a really big key. It's tough being a king and a queen because you have to carry around that big key. Now, let's draw a smaller set of keys. We will start with a key ring, and then we will draw a key there, a key there, maybe a key there, and maybe one more key there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 keys. Remember, if it's 1, it's key. If it's more than 1, it's key with an S. Keys. More than 1, keys. Just 1 key. No S. Well, we better get out of here because I think the king and the queen, they're coming for their key. Oh, G out.